Catfish, and I'm back with another video, man. I got a treat for you guys today. It's Friday night, nice outside. I decided to come by a little spot that I always come to, and man, the parking lot is packed, guys, believe it or not. This is where I'm at. I'm at Blue Top Drive-In in Highland, Indiana. And my God, it's a lot of cars, man. Look at this Mustang. We're gonna start with this Mustang right here. Y'all see that Kitty Bell sitting up there? 442. I don't know what that is right there, but y'all gotta see this right here. This is a Trans Am twin turbo, guys. See that turbo right there? See that turbo right there? Look at the engine. Sheesh. See the exhaust pipe? Center line wheels. Look at this thing. Full roll cage, man. Sheesh. Y'all see old girl sitting right there? Yes, sir. Y'all see old girl. She's sitting there chilling. Look at this right here. Got one Camaro, a drop top Camaro. But I got a special one down here, guys. I ain't gonna even tell you what it is till we get down here. Yeah. I'm gonna let you see this. You may not be able to see one of these in the flesh. Yeah. Y'all see this right here? Y'all see that nameplate? What that say? That say Hennessy, don't it? In the flesh, guys. The faster I get on the corners coming out. So Hennessy Camaro in the flesh. Y'all see it up there? Come on. Y'all see it? Big carbon fiber wing on the back. Yes, sir. Yeah, see that big wing back there? Side skirts. Manual, you know it's a manual, guys. Come on, man. Me and you guys seen a Hennessy in the flesh.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
You remember me?
Yeah. Yeah, you got a Ford GT. Mustang right there. It's a lot of nice little cars. This is gonna be a little short video, man. I just came out for a minute. Got a T-bucket right here. Look at the engine. Little blower on the front, man. Come on, man. Yes, sir. This right here, this messed me up right here. This right here is a Sport Fury. I think it's about a 79 or something like that. Got a 383 Commando in it. I think it's about that, but this what really got me. It's a drop top too. See the drop top? But this what got me. It's a manual, guys. Y'all see that manual right there and them 3 pedals down there? Come on, man. How many times you gonna see one of them? Wow. Yes, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at that Corvette, man. That's crazy. Look at that thing, man. Got an all original Corvette right here. Thing clean too, boy. Yes, sir. Thing is gorgeous. How clean this thing is, man. Stupid clean. Beautiful car. Yeah, man. Guys, I just came out for a quick second, man, and stopped by Blue Top. All these damn cars up here. I wasn't expecting to see all of this up here. Uh-oh, wait a minute. He gonna open the hood of this Corvette, man. Look how clean this is under the hood, man. Come on, guys. Look, this car been on my channel several times, though. Every time I see it, it's clean. Y'all see it? See that indentation in the hood? That's for air cleaning. For you guys that don't know. Beautiful Corvette, man. What year is it?
73.
73, man. But I gotta show y'all something real quick. We got a 440 Cuda, 70 Cuda. But I'm gonna show you guys something. Look, shift on the collar. How many times have you seen that? Right on top, like the 440 in it. But it's shift on the collar. Yeah, man. You don't see that too often. Y'all see the front of that 70 Cuda. Nasty. We're gonna walk over here. John brought one of his cars out tonight. Yep, 70 Cuda. Malibu. 66 Malibu. Yeah, it's nice too. Guys, this is gonna be a little short video because I'm finna leave. Check this out over here. Man, there's cars everywhere, man. It's nice outside. Look at this. I don't know what this is, but I like it. Straight axle. I don't know what it is. Manual. I don't know what year this is or what it is, but it's nice. Yes, sir. Tucked away on the other side. Look at it. Look at this Mustang. Mustang. Nice, nice. Full roll cage, guys. You see the roll cage in there. Trick shifter. Got them biters. Long studs. Nice, 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 nice Mustang, man. Look at that. That is nice. Then wait a minute, I got something else to show you over here. Look at this Cutlass. 442 drop top. Manual too, guys. Come on now. How many of you guys have seen an old school Cutlass 442 manual drop top too? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think it's like a 64. I do believe it's a 64, but it's clean though. White interior, drop top. Look at this Firebird right here. Sound pretty good. Guys, I got another treat for you guys. Look at this right here. Dodge Challenger RT 426 Hemi. Y'all see it? But look what's in front of it though. See that 426 there? Got a new one right here. In front of it. Parked right in front of it. Come on, man. Got a nice Fox body. But I want to show y'all a car that y'all might not have seen. Got a nice little Fox body right here. But guys, you know what this is right here? Just from the side. Look at the engine. Side draft, 4 barrels, 2 of them. Y'all know what this is? Yeah, I see it. It's a Henry J, guys. For you guys that don't know. Henry J, there it go. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? I don't know how many of you guys seen one of these. I've seen about 3 of them. And we got another 442 drop top right here. This one nice too. Got them iconic wheels on it. Dual gate shifter. Y'all see it? Yep. 442. 57 Chevy in front of that. And over there, wait a minute, we got a Chevy 66, a 65 SS right here. Almost missed this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got another Mustang right there. It's decent too.
So which one did you get? Aaron or Donovan? got the shot.
He look like he getting a little wax put on this thing. All right. Somebody putting some wax on it. Yeah, guys, we at Blue Top, man. We at Blue Top Drive-In. Like I said, I just came out for a quick second, man. This is where we at. So I just came out for a quick second, man. Bring the car for a minute. This is where we at. Got another Mustang right here. I didn't even see this one. Yes, sir. Nice little Mustang. Like I said, it's a lot of cars out here, man. Yes, sir. Yes, Friday night, man. It's nice outside. Yeah, guys, like I said, I just stopped by Blue Top for a quick second, man, just to come out, see what was going on. But just like that, this video is over, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Talk to you later. Peace.